The sandwich, convenient and delicious, but not all fillings are the same, especially when it comes to deli meats.
If it's gone through a grinder and had sugar and salt and other things added, it's now been more highly processed.
But what about your favorite rotisserie chicken? Catherine Zeratsky says it's a step in the right direction, but it will still have added sodium.
Most chicken products do because they are leaner, and so they're adding a little salt in there to hold the moisture.
Zeratsky says knowing that, you can still create a healthy lunch.
Complement that with other nutritious foods like fruits and vegetables. You're getting some added potassium.
A sandwich and a banana. Seems like a good match, but why?
Potassium, on the flip side from sodium, you have two nutrients that can work for and against your blood pressure. And so you're just creating a better balance overall.
Be sure to use a whole grain bread to get your fiber, and consider an avocado, tomato, or sprouts for added health benefits. For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Joel Streed.